Yes, you guys can always cancel your self credit builder, but you have to understand that there may be fees attached to this, and then to I don't know how it's going to work in terms of if they're going to, in terms of their reporting. But I do tell you guys always, if you have any further questions about canceling their account, definitely call them. Their phone number is 877-883-0999. But you definitely can cancel them. Now, let's go ahead and just do a quick search on this. Let's click right here and let's just search how to cancel, because a lot of things it's like an easy Google search away, you guys. So how do I cancel my credit builder account? So you can call them and you can cancel it through their automatic system. You have to verify your identity. Oh, and then they're going to tell you how it's going to work with your payout too. So after you verify your account, they're going to let you know how your payout is going to go. And if you cancel your accounts will be closed at 11 p.m. 7-day. A payout tracker would appear in your dashboard within 24 hours so that you can check the payment status and know when to expect your money. So yes, you guys can definitely cancel. And this is all the information right here too, if you guys want to know. So you guys can pause it right here and just read all of this if you want to know how to do it, on how to go ahead and cancel